What is your project?
So biometric machines, implementation of biometric machines and integration it with salary package. So I'm not able to share my screen.
You just try it, no?
Yeah.
You got this icon, no? The share screen wala.
Yes, share screen. It is coming in under basic, but it's not showing.
First click, first open your PPT, then share
Okay.
it, and then OK.
Start.
Okay, sir.
बैकग्राउंड छोड़ दीजिए, अब आप प्रोजेक्ट पे आ जाइए. आपने क्या किया, कैसे किया?
Okay, sir. See, we have procured biometric machines. The total number of 579 machines devices were procured, out of which 255 were face recognition machines. We have designed a systematic approach for capturing the data and transferring it to the salary database. First step is registration of the employees. This includes their Aadhaar number, their fingerprint templates, then transfer of data. For this, our server, central server, is connected with the biometric machines via same LAN. If in case connectivity through a common portal that had accessibility through the internet and intranet. Then we have a provision for leave details entry. Leave details and other salary components were uploaded on the portal with subsequent validation of data. Then as an output of the system, Form 10 is generated. Form 10 is used as an input data for salary preparation. The innovative part of the system used in the usage of biometric devices for accuracy in physical data entry with minimal human intervention with more authenticity and accuracy. The portal that is prepared, developed to interface between biometric device and payroll application is a result of innovation. This made us as the select few in setting up a new automation in a public sector enterprise and a great contribution to our Prime Minister's Dream of Digital India mission through an in-house effort of innovation. Basically, the attendance capturing through biometric devices and the integration of data with payroll system through portal is the need and solution in itself. The employees are the end user of the system. The biometric punching their credentials like employee ID, fingerprint template, face recognition, Aadhaar seeding were primarily aligned with the system to avoid any situation of failure data recording in machine. This job is done by the domain users. Concept of activation, deactivation, and reactivation is done by admin users only. Some are the challenges before and after. Challenges were manifold. Firstly, the acceptance among the employees was a big issue. Also, people were slightly reluctant where they were unclear about the methodology, how data would be processed for salary. People were also not mindful of the attendance punching on a regular basis. Gradually, a new challenge was brought in view where due to the nature of work of employees at time, the distorted fingerprints were not recognized by the machines of some workers. Also, for some units, it so happened that data due to connectivity issues could not be transferred online to the local server, for which we had to resort the data transfer through external mode using pen drive and other devices. Comparison between pre and post implementation. Previously, like prevalent practice across WCL, a manual capturing of attendance in register either by signature of employees or by the timekeepers by putting in present in the physical presence of the employee was in use. But this system didn't have any check and could not be authenticated for 100% accuracy. This proxy attendance, whether actual or not, could not be verified. Also, the recorded timing was not the actual in and out time of the worker, but was a generalized inputted figure based on shift start timing and not the actual arrival of the worker. The manual system being cumbersome, it posed a serious question on availability and utilization of manpower to the optimum level. This was proving a difficult task in preparation of input sheet and summarization of salary. Now, post-deployment scenario has ended and enabled the management to rely on the data confidently. It had enabled the further ensure preparation of correct salary without any possibility of proxy attendance. The actual time taken for salary preparation and input has drastically reduced due to change in methodology. This has enabled more manpower work with efficiency in terms of its optimal utilization. And the most pivot impact of this system achieved is embedding a discipline of time management amongst all the workers. At the last, the benefits can be considered manifold, starting from increase in efficiency and authenticity to transparency and into a more controlled time management system. This has turned out to be a more essential as it was likely to be. A tremendous shift in work culture is now witnessed, and the scope for tampering the of record, like in redeployed scenario, has been removed entirely. Since attendance is recorded in real time, now being completely digitalized, its analysis becomes easier by management for further interpretation. Viewing the bigger picture, this has put the overall picture of the company on a rise. With this, I would like to conclude my presentation. Thank you, sir. Thank you for very much.